Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about simple yet powerful home remedies to help relieve symptoms of the flu, cough and fever. These natural remedies can ease discomfort and boost your immunity. Let's dive right in. Our first remedy is honey and ginger tea. It's a warm, soothing drink that's perfect for cough relief and calming a sore throat. Ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and a cup of hot water. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it ideal for relieving coughs and congestion. Honey not only soothes your throat, but is also packed with antioxidants that help your body fight infections. Instructions. Grate the ginger and add it to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then add honey to taste. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. Together, these ingredients create a warming tea that helps open up your airways and eases coughing. Next up, we have turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, a traditional remedy known for boosting immunity and reducing body aches. Ingredients. All you need is 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, making this drink even more beneficial. Instructions. Just mix the turmeric and black pepper into warm milk. Drink it once a day, preferably before bedtime. This soothing drink not only eases body aches, but also promotes restful sleep, which is essential for recovery. Our third remedy is a steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. This one is excellent for clearing congestion and opening up your sinuses. Ingredients. A bowl of hot water and 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil acts as a natural decongestant. Its menthol-like aroma helps clear nasal passages, making breathing easier. Instructions. Place a towel over your head to trap the steam, close your eyes, and inhale deeply for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do this once or twice a day. Steam inhalation is a quick way to relieve nasal congestion, reduce headaches, and soothe your respiratory system. Next, let's make garlic tea. It might not sound appetizing, but it's powerful for boosting immunity and fighting viral infections. Ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 cloves of crushed garlic and a cup of water. You can add honey for taste. Garlic is a natural antiviral and immune booster. It contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to reduce cold and flu symptoms. Instructions. Boil the garlic in water for a few minutes, then strain it. Add honey if you'd like to sweeten it up. Drink this once a day. This tea may not be everyone's favourite, but it works wonders in reducing the duration and intensity of cold and flu symptoms. Another important tip is to stay hydrated. Warm water and herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint are gentle on the throat and help keep you hydrated. Drinking warm fluids helps thin mucus, soothes your sore throat, and assists your body in regulating temperature. Aim to drink small sips throughout the day. Finally, a saltwater gargle is a quick way to relieve a sore throat and reduce inflammation. Ingredients. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Saltwater gargles help to break down mucus and kill bacteria in the throat, providing relief from soreness. Instructions. Gargle for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day. It's a simple, effective remedy for sore throats, especially when paired with the other tips. These remedies are simple, natural ways to support your body's healing. Remember to rest, stay hydrated, and nourish your body. And, as always, consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover these natural remedies. Take care and get well soon.